Chapter 1, Section 6, subtracting integers. Our objective here is to subtract integers. So subtract. To subtract an integer, you add its opposite. So in other words, 3 minus 7 becomes 3 plus a negative 7, which we've done before. We have opposite signs, so we subtract, and our answer gets the bigger number signs. In this case, 7 is bigger, so our answer is negative. 4 minus 10 is the same thing as 4 plus a negative 10. Different signs, so we subtract. 10 is bigger, so we get a negative. 7 minus a negative 5 is the same thing as 7 plus a positive 5. Notice the signs change on each one, just like the signs changed here. This went from a negative to a positive. This 10 became a negative from a positive. So this would become 12, because they have the same sign here. Negative 2 minus a negative 9. The negative 2 does not change, but this becomes plus 9. Opposite signs, we subtract, and 7. 9 is the bigger number, so it is positive. So our answer is positive. That's one way of looking at it. We will look at different ways later as we go into different chapters. Evaluate x is equal to negative 9. So first, we have to substitute. Substitute negative 9 in for x, so I have negative 9 minus a negative 40. To subtract, we have to add the opposite, so negative 9 plus 40. They're opposite signs, so we subtract to get 31. The bigger number is positive, so our answer is positive. Again, we substitute first, 7 minus a negative 9, because I put it in there. That negative is not the same. Again, we add the opposite, so 7 plus a positive 9, same sign, so we add them together to get 16. Okay, if we say d is equal to negative 3, let's try this. Let's substitute in, so we have negative 3 minus 5. So this will be negative 3 plus a negative 5. Yes. Same sign. So we add them to get 8. We take the negative with them. Do another one. Negative 15 minus a negative 3. This will be negative 15 plus a positive 3. Opposite signs, we subtract. The bigger number is a negative, so our answer is a negative. In example 3, it says to answer the question on page 34. Kikumjini is an underwater volcano in the Caribbean Sea. Eruptions have caused the volcano to grow. In 1962, the summit elevation of Kikumjini was negative 235 meters. In 2002, the summit elevation was negative 182 meters. By how many meters did the elevation of the volcano change? Well, if you look at the picture, negative 235 meters means below that sea level. And then negative 182 means it rose closer to the sea level. So I've started this problem. We have change in, this is going to be elevation, which is what we're looking for. Change in elevation is going to be the elevation in 2002, that latest one, the highest one, minus the elevation in 1962. So if we go look, the elevation of 2002 is negative 182 minus the elevation of 1962, which was negative 235. So we get negative 182 plus our opposite of 235. And when you subtract these two, you get 53. So our homework is page 36, 12 through 33, 47, and 48. So starting with number 12, it says find the difference, 8 minus 9. We have a positive and a negative, or we can say 8 plus a negative 9, a positive and a negative. So we're going to subtract 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 is the bigger number, so our answer will have to be negative.